Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add someone or your group. First, you can open your Telegram app on your Android or iPhone, and then you can navigate to your group. This is my group. I will click it, and then you can go to the profile, or you can click the name of the group in the top. And as you can see, there is option to add members, but first you have to make sure you are the owner or admin on your group. And you can add members, and you can click invite to group via link, so you can copy the link and you can share to everyone, and everyone can join your group. Or you can just add individual or meet multiple people to your group, just like that, like this, and you can just simply click next. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.